Hello, and welcome to the Charles County Master Gardeners Just for Kids video series. My name is Marlene Smith, and I'm a Charles County Master Gardener. Today I will be demonstrating seed bombs.
So what is a seed ball? A seed ball is a marble or dime-sized ball made of clay, soil, and seeds, which can be used in your garden or in a container on a balcony to grow flowers or vegetables. The clay protects the seed from the heat of the sun, heavy rains, and animals. The shape of the ball actually gives enough shade to conserve moisture. At some point, the seeds begin to germinate and the ball breaks apart.
Items you will need to create your seed bombs include 2 parts of potting mix, 1 part of fine clay powder, a pinch of seeds of your choice, 1 part water, a tub or cup to mix the ingredients in, a paper plate to put the balls on once you've rolled them. And it's always a good idea when you're working with soil or clay to use gloves. So the first thing I'm going to do is add my soil and my clay to the cup. I'm going to go ahead and mix those up a little bit with my hands. I'm going to go ahead and add my pinch of seeds. And then I'm going to start slowly adding the 1 part of water. I don't want to add it all at one time, because if you make it too moist, you can't take away the water. But if it's too dry, you can always add more water. And again, I'm just using my fingers to mix it up. You want the mixture to be about the consistency of cookie dough, so that when you roll them, they'll hold together. Once they're mixed together, you want to roll them into balls. You can make them into dime-sized balls or golf ball-sized balls, size of a marble, whatever your preference is. But you see it holds together fairly well. Okay. So once your seed balls are made, you can leave them on a plate to dry. Otherwise, you can plant them immediately. You can plant them one of 2 ways. You can bomb them directly onto the soil where you'd like them, or you can create a small depression in the soil and put the seed ball in the soil and cover it lightly. So now, I think I'm going to go throw some seed bombs. Part of the fun of the seed ball activity is actually throwing or bombing your seed bombs. It's actually fun if you have a group of people where you can do a countdown and all throw the balls at once. But I'm here by myself, so I'll just simulate doing a seed bomb throw in 3, 2, 1, bombs away! Bombs away!
We hope you have enjoyed watching our video. We welcome you to share photos of your activity on the Charles County Master Gardeners, University of Maryland Extension Facebook page. Also, please visit our website resources page at the URL shown on the screen and click on Just for Kids for more activities and information. Thank you for watching.